Hi everyone! Next week's module, Module 3, will require you to do your first critique, and this will be requiring you to go to some of your classmates' pages and participate in some of their activities that they've added to their Haiku page. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make your class accessible to our classmates. If you will go to Manage Page on your new Haiku page, and then scroll down to where it says Share Page. Here you will have another menu. You have two options to send your invitation via email or post your invitation anywhere. We're going to do that one because it gives us a link. So if you will, just hit Command C to copy that link. And then in our Module 2 page, on the assignment page, you will see a link to this table here. And all you need to do is click Edit and simply input your name under the name column and your link to your Haiku page under the Haiku link column, and then click the green Save button. That way in the future you will be able to see everyone's link to their Haiku page and you will be able to complete those critiques.